What is your name, brother?
Huh?
Your name?
My name is Joseph. I'm studying in 10th class English medium at Government. Today I'm here to present my project thermal electric generator. As we all know, the energy demands are increasing. The environmental challenges increasing. To address this
Howdy.
I have created a sustainable solution to convert the waste heat into the electricity. The principle behind this project is the Peltier module. Operates based on the Seebeck effect, which is discovered in 1821 by a German chemist named Thomas Seebeck. Thomas John Seebeck. When there is a temperature difference between the hot side and the cold side of the module, the electrons flow from the hot side to the cold side, which will generate the electricity. And this principle enables the harnessing heat into the electricity effectively. The materials for this project is the Peltier module. Core component for project: heat sink and thermal paste. For maintaining the temperature difference, I use the cold water to enhance the cooling effectively. The Peltier module is kept so one side will be heated and other side will be cooled. Cooled by the heat sink, thermal paste and cooling pot. The heat from the candle creates a temperature difference between the hot side and the cold side of the module, and this temperature difference creates a voltage, and this generated voltage will be utilized by the motor to run. There are the wide ranges for the applications. In the portable services, providing energy for the devices in the remote location where the power is inaccessible. In the waste heat recovery, it is used in the industries, in the vehicles, in the power plants, using engine waste heat, and in the home appliances, small home waste systems convert the waste heat into the electricity. In the space exploration, spacecrafts like NASA Mars rover, ISRO spacecrafts using the heat from the radioactive decay to convert the heat from the electricity. In the portable service, serves as an off-grid power source for the mobile phones, and it improves the fuel efficiency.
Mobile phones also.
Mobile phones. It increases the fuel efficiency, energy efficiency, power accessories. In the conclusion, the thermal electric generator offers a sustainable way to convert the waste heat into the electricity. This project demonstrates how we can harness rising energy demands, environmental challenges by using the innovative technologies like thermal electric generator. The thermal electric generator pave a way for a sustainable, greener, cleaner and more sustainable future. Thank you.
ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు మీరు ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేయడం
నేను చాలా
మీరు నైతా థ్యాంక్ యూ